Hello students, welcome you all in Olympiad GK class. In our previous videos, we have discussed the first three chapter number 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Today we will discuss chapter number 4, Universe. Open your book or your PDF and let's start discussion. Question number 1. Jupiter has many moons. The four largest moons, namely Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were first observed by which of the following astronomers? Very easy question. For the first question, the correct answer is Galileo Galilei. Option number A, Galileo Galilei. Next, question number 2. It is the second spacecraft ever to orbit Jupiter. It is a NASA's New Frontiers mission currently orbiting the planet Jupiter. It was launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station on August 5, 2011 and arrived on June 5, 2016. Name it. Four options are there and the correct option is Juno. Jupiter. Okay, for Jupiter. Next, question number 3. Vista was first discovered on March 29, 1807 by Heinrich Wilhelm Olbers. It rotates on its axis every 5,342 hours. It's 5.342 and has an axial tilt of 929. According to several NASA scientists, it is the parent body of many meteoroids. Which of the following statements is or are correct regarding Vista? You have again same four options. Question number 3 and the correct option is question number 3 is option C. It is the largest asteroid in the solar system. It is the largest asteroid in the solar system. Now question number 4. Question number 4. The International Astronomical Union AIU is a collection of professional astronomers who act as the internationally recognized authority for assigning designation to celestial bodies. It also assigns names to constellations. How many constellations have been formally named by the IAU? How many constellations formally named by the IAU? Four options are there. For question number 4, correct option is for question number 4, correct option is option number B. For question number 4, correct option is option number B, 88. 88 constellation in southern and northern hemisphere. 88 constellation in southern and northern hemisphere. Now question number 5. He is the first American to orbit Earth and also the oldest person to fly in space. He was one of the members of Mercury 7. The 7 men who flew on the Mercury spacecraft. Name him. 4 person names are there and the correct option is option D, John Glenn. Correct option is option D, John Glenn. Next question 6. This probe was launched on 19 January 2006 to Pluto. It flew by the Pluto-Charon system on 14th July 2015 and is the first probe to be launched to Pluto. Name the probe. Question number 6. Option number C, New Horizons. Question number 6, option number C, New Horizon. Now, next page. Next page. Question number 7. The Switch is a Russian spacecraft which is like a lifeboat for the space station. At least one switch is always docked at the space station. Which of the following statements are correct about switch? It carries people and supplies to and from the space station. Next, the crew rides at the part of the spacecraft called a capsule. Up to 3 astronauts or cosmonauts can ride in a switch capsule. Question number 7. It carries people and supplies to and from the space station. This is correct, and this is correct. So 3 statements are correct. Now the option is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Next, question number 8. The appearance of which of the following constellations in the east from northern hemisphere is the first sign of spring? Again, 4 options are there for question number 8 and the correct option is Pegasus, and the correct option is option number B, Leo, and the correct option is option number B, Leo. Correct option is option number B, Leo. Next question, question number 9. Read the given passage. Some of the word has been italicized in it. Which of the following statement is correct regarding it? Heavy lift launch vehicle is a type of rocket which can do things that other rockets cannot do. They can launch larger payloads into high Earth orbit. The Saturn V rocket, Saturn V rocket, launched at an entire space station, Skylab, in one launch. The Saturn V could launch about 180 tons into Earth's orbit, which is about as much weight as 10 school buses. A. Cannot should be replaced with can also. B. High should be replaced with low. C. 1 should be replaced with 5. D. 180 should not be replaced at all. Means it remain the 7. So cannot should be replaced with can also. Heavy lift launch vehicle is a type of rocket which can do things that other rockets can do. Cannot, can do. They can launch larger payloads into low Earth orbit. The Saturn V rocket launched an entire space station, Skylab, in 5 launch. The Saturn V could launch about 180 ton into Earth's orbit, which is about as much weight as 10 school buses. Right? Now questions. Question number 1. That is, cannot should be replaced with can also. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct regarding it? High should be replaced with low. 1 should be replaced with 5. 180. Now, after reading this statement for question number 9, we can say that this is not correct because high should be replaced with low. So, the sentence is payload into low Earth orbit. No, it's not correct. High Earth orbit. Okay, so we can say that only this statement is correct. Question is, which statement is correct? This statement is correct. 1 should be replaced with 5. No, it's not. 180 should not be replaced at all. No, it's not. Cannot should be replaced with can also. No. Like cannot do. Rockets can do. No. It's wrong. So, only option B. Only option B. Now, question number 10. The first direct observation of an extraterrestrial collision of a solar object was observed in July 1994 when a comet collided with Jupiter. This collision provided new information about Jupiter and highlighted its role in reducing space debris in the inner solar system. What is the name of that comet? 4 options are there. Question number 10. The name of the comet is Shoemaker-Levy line. Name of the comet is Shoemaker-Levy line. Question number 11. Different stars have a number of physical characteristics that vary for each of the different types of stars. Which quality determines the fate of a star is black hole upon its death? 4 options are there and the correct option is option number C, mass. Next, question number 12. In the study of black holes, what do you call a star that is produced by a supernova? Okay, easy question. For question number 12, the correct option is option number B, neutron star. Neutron star. Question number 13. Which of the following statements is or are correct about the galaxy Milky Way? Less than 10% of the mass of the Milky Way is visible. Spitzer Space Telescope is an infrared telescope used in mapping and studying the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way is a part of the Virgo supercluster, a group of galaxies within 150 million light years. D. All of this. So, which statement is or are correct? Question number 13. All of this. D. All of this. All are correct. Now, next page. 14. Microgravity refers to. Question number 14. Microgravity refers to. 4 options are there. Correct option is B. That is, condition in which people or object appear to be weightless. Next, question number 15. Mars has about First fill in the blanks. 1. The gravity of Earth while Pluto has about. Second fill in the blanks. 2. The gravity of Earth. Select the option. 1/4, 1/3, 1/3, 1/4, 1/10, 1/15, 1/10, 1/15. So 4 options are there, A, B, C, D. For question number 15, the correct option is B. The correct option is B, that is 1/3, 1/15. 1/3, 1/15. Mars has about 1/3 of the gravity of Earth. Pluto has about 1/15 the gravity of Earth. Now question number 16. Space junk. Space junk, which is moving very fast, is circling the Earth. They are pieces from spacecraft and can reach speeds of 4.3 to 5 miles per second. What are these space junks called? Question number 16. Correct option is orbital debris. B. Orbital debris. Question number 17. Which of the following moons in the solar system is known to have its own magnetic field? Question number 17. Correct option is A. Ganymede. Next question, question number 18. Robonaut, a NASA's robot designed to be humanoids, is called a dexterous robot because. Question number 18. Because. Correct option, its hands and fingers move like human. Its hands and fingers move like human. Now question number 19. The Hubble Space Telescope is repaired and upgraded when needed. Many space shuttle missions have carried astronauts to Hubble for servicing mission. How many servicing missions were launched to repair or upgrade Hubble? Question number 19. Correct option is option D, 5. Question number 20. It's a paragraph and we have to fill in the blanks. When stars run out of fuel in their core, they bloat into gas giants. After a few million years, the outer layer began to puff off, forming a planetary nebula, leaving behind only the dead core of mostly dash and dash. Then they become dash dwarf stars. 4 options are there: blue, red, blue oxygen, carbon, red, red methane. Correct option is option number D, red carbon oxygen. Red carbon oxygen, white. Red giants, dead core of mostly carbon and oxygen, then they become white dwarf stars. Now question number 21. The famous 1996 Hubble image of a tiny patch of sky containing 3000 objects is known as. 4 options are there. Correct option is option number B, the Hubble Deep Field. Question number 22. The Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope is a satellite used to study the most powerful sources of radiations in the universe. When was it launched? When was it launched? Dates are there, and for question number 22, correct date is June 11, 2008. C. June 11, 2008. Question number 23. Sea of Tranquility is found on Moon. A. 24. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano on the planet Mars located in Mars' western hemisphere. What makes Olympus Mons volcano different from all volcanoes on Earth? What made it different? Option D. It is bigger than Earth volcanoes. Now, last question for today. Which planet has the most number of volcanoes? Very easy question. Correct option is Venus. Very easy question. Correct option is Venus. Okay, students, that's all for today. I think the concept is clear. Bye.